Yo, what is going on, guys? I am back with a brand new 2026 update showing you how to get free PokeCoins in Pokemon Go. This is the fastest and easiest method to get tons of free PokeCoins. This is actually a Pokemon Go promo code that you can redeem, guys, and it's going to supply you a bunch of free PokeCoins. I believe you can get 10,000 for free, and that is going to save you about $100 because, as you can see, the PokeCoins are really expensive. So this method literally takes a few minutes, guys. I've been searching Google and tested tons of different methods, watched loads of clickbait YouTube videos, and yeah, this is definitely the easiest and fastest method to get free PokeCoins in Pokemon Go. So you need to use your mobile internet browser to do this. So I'm using an iPhone. I just recommend you use whatever phone you play Pokemon Go on, and go to this website, make sure you can actually type, guys, apologies, www.crashcoupons.com. So go ahead and type it like this, Crash Coupons, and if you type it correctly, you're going to be brought to this awesome codes website. They actually have codes for not only mobile games, but they have like pretty much every game you can imagine, to be honest. So use the search bar and just type in Pokemon Go. My typing today is terrible, but yeah, navigate your way to this promo codes page for Pokemon Go. Now, on this page, there's a few different verified working codes, and here is the PokeCoins code, 10,000 free PokeCoins promo code. So these are working in 2026, and as you can see, they are limited codes, so this is going to give you one of the limited number of codes there. I did this earlier, and what you're going to need to do is basically unlock your promo code. And this prevents people taking more than one of these codes. Obviously, 10,000 PokeCoins is pretty desirable. So click on this button, and then you just got to follow the instructions on this screen. It is really easy, so don't panic. You just got to complete 2 of the tasks on this page. And these tasks are basically mobile app installs, where you just basically install mobile apps and play the games and answer survey questions. Just make sure you follow the instructions, because that basically just tells you how to complete the tasks. They're all completely free, and it'll take you about like 5 minutes to complete 2 of them. And if you do 2 of those correctly and follow the instructions, it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Pokemon Go promo code will be revealed. And once you redeem it in the game or in the website, that is going to supply you with 10,000 free PokeCoins in Pokemon Go. So go to Crash Coupons and navigate your way to the Pokemon Go promo code page, guys. This is working in 2026, so yeah, enjoy. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.